The Ford Bronco has always been a symbol of rugged freedom, but the 2025 model takes that legacy to uncharted territory. Blending brute force capability with futuristic tech, this iteration is designed to conquer deserts, scale mountains, and still look sharp in the school pickup line. Let's dive into the game-changing updates that make the 2025 Bronco the most advanced and audacious version yet. Exterior design, bold, adaptive, and user-powered. The Bronco's iconic boxy shape remains, but Ford has infused it with innovation at every angle. Dynamic grille system. Swap grille inserts in seconds. Choose between a retro Ford block lettering, an aggressive LED light bar, or mesh design for improved airflow. Aeroflex fenders. Lightweight composite fenders automatically extend or retract based on speed, boosting aerodynamics on highways and maximizing tire clearance off-road. 3D printed accessory ports. Pre-installed ports on the roof, doors, and bumpers let owners snap on custom racks, lights, or cameras without drilling. Self-healing paint. A scratch-resistant coating, optional, repairs minor abrasions using sunlight-activated polymers. Magnetic roof panels. The removable hardtop now uses electromagnetic latches, enabling tool-free removal in under 2 minutes. New colors like Molten Terra, Metallic Burnt Orange, and Cyber Moss, glow-in-the-dark accents, ensure your Bronco stands out, even in a crowd of its siblings. Interior, where Wi-Fi meets wilderness. Step inside, and the Bronco feels more like a tech hub than an SUV. AI Copilot Console. A 16-inch curved touchscreen runs Ford's new TrailOS software, which uses AI to analyze terrain and suggest optimal driving modes. It even learns your off-road habits over time. Holographic HUD projects trail maps, picture roll angles, and obstacle alerts onto the windshield. No more squinting at gauges. Climate-adaptive seats. Heated-cooled seats now adjust ventilation based on cabin temperature and humidity. The driver's seat also subtly shifts posture support during long hauls. Eco-conscious details. Floor mats made from recycled fishing nets. Dashboard trim from upcycled aluminum, and a new cactus leather option derived from desert plants. Camp mode. Activate via the touchscreen to power a built-in air compressor, USB outlets, and ambient lighting. Perfect for overnight adventures. Safety isn't an afterthought. The Bronco Guardian Suite includes Rock Crawl Assist, automatically modulates throttle and brakes on precarious inclines. Night Vision Scan. Infrared cameras detect wildlife or hikers beyond the headlights' reach. Doorstep airbags. Inflatable steps deployed during a rollover to cushion occupants. Performance. Electrified muscle meets precision engineering. Ford is redefining off-road performance with powertrains that balance eco-consciousness and raw power. Base. A refined 2.3L EcoBoost turbocharged inline-4, 315 horsepower, 330 pound-foot, paired with a 7-speed manual or 10-speed auto. Bronco Hybrid. A 2.7L V6 paired with an electric motor, 400 horsepower combined, 455 pound-foot, and a 35-mile electric range. Recharge via plug-in or the optional solar roof. Bronco Raptor X. The new flagship boasts a 3.5L twin-turbo V6 hybrid, 500 horsepower, 550 pound-foot, reinforced Dana axles, and Fox Racing suspension with AI dampers that adjust 500 times per second. Key upgrades. Trail hydration system. A built-in water sprayer cools brakes during intense descents. GT Modes 2.0. Go over any terrain now includes mudslide, glacier, and sandstorm presets. Invisible trailer hitch. A retractable hitch integrates seamlessly into the bumper when not in use. The Sasquatch package evolves with 38-inch tires, a first for factory models, carbon fiber bash plates, and a winch hidden behind the front bumper. Groundbreaking features you won't see coming. Drone Scout. Integrates with a Ford-branded drone that launches from the roof rack to map trails ahead and live stream footage to the touchscreen. Trail Print Plus. After off-roading, the system generates a 3D map of your route, complete with obstacle highlights, to share with fellow adventurers. Modular Tailgate. Split the tailgate into 2 tiers. Use the top half as a workstation or the lower half as a step stool. Voice-activated winch. Control recovery gear via voice commands. Bronco. Winch left 10 feet. Pricing. Adventure at every tier. The 2025 Bronco lineup caters to every budget, starting at $42,900. Base. Key trims. Base. $42,900. Black Diamond. $47,300. Adds marine-grade vinyl seats and steel bumpers. Badlands. $55,600. Includes hydraulic suspension and trail kitchen prep. Heritage Limited. $63,000. Vintage white roof. Hybrid engine. Exclusive retro decals. Raptor X. $82,500. Popular packages. Sasquatch Pro. $7,200. 38-inch tires. Carbon bash plates. Front winch. Skycamp. $4,500. Rooftop tent plus solar panel integration. Hybrid Pro Power. $3,800. Upgrades battery for 50-mile electric range. The verdict, more than an SUV, it's a revolution. The 2025 Bronco isn't just keeping up with the off-road competition, it's lapping it. With hybrid efficiency, AI-driven tech, and modularity that puts Swiss Army knives to shame, Ford has built a vehicle that's as comfortable crawling over boulders as it is cruising downtown. The blend of sustainability, innovation, and sheer power makes this Bronco a milestone in automotive design. For more information, please like and subscribe our channel.